So many birds around this morning. Just having a bit of a shower, and I wanted to get my good camera out and take some photos. I took a few yesterday. I'm going to start doing that again because I missed that. But I can't take any this morning because the lens keeps fogging up. It's so humid. So humid. That's funny. Anyway, there'll be other days. They're here every day, most days. I'll just go back to me Sunday morning coffee. But I'm outside. Look out. It's nice. Sure. They sound so pretty.